another one. World's on fire, but gas is cheap. Nothing to do, nowhere to be. Never been one to watch TV, but I guess that first time for everything. You stayed at home, I guess you'd rather be alone than piss your parents off. I got mad, but I didn't tell you. I gotten real good at that, but you wouldn't know. No, no, you wouldn't know. Long phone calls sometimes. We barely even talk. Sometimes I like it that way. You always hate it when I say that. And you let me know. Yes, you let me know. Oh, you let me know. Won't you let me know? Won't you let me know? Won't you let me know?
You got the heart that is bigger than the sun. You got the smile that is wider than the fun. Whatever you imagine will come true. Whatever you wish upon a star will do. And there is only one thing you should really love. It is your heart when it seems up above. Hey you over there, it's time to get up and make the world shine. It's time to get back to feeling so fine. You can dance or sing, or you can sing or dance. You got to find the voice that was lost. You got to find the sparkle in the frost. You got to find the passion in the must. You got to find the light in the dust. You are beautiful and magical and wonderful. You can fly with a smiling heart. You are fabulous, incredible, amazing. And this is where your story will start. There is something over the rainbow. Can you see it? There is something over the rainbow. Can you see it? It's you, it's you, it's you. You are over the rainbow. 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 The There's a magic land waiting for you. There's a magic land waiting for you. Ahoo, aha, 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 ahoo, aha. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu hääleke laulda. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu hääleke laulda. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu hääleke laulda. Ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu süda saab tantsida ja sinu süda saab tantsida.
There's a pace here that I'm still not quite familiar with. There's a noise coming from the fridge and a mess that isn't mine. There's a broken chair that I've been sitting on lately. Feels high, feels so low sometimes. There's a beautiful porch with hearts dropping from the ceiling. There's a man enjoying his loneliness as I am sipping. And my body's still, but my open eyes are looking. I like it here, but sometimes I just feel like up and leaving. Can't wait to get home. Can't wait to get home. There are footsteps that are loud, they step on my sleeping. I feel flooded and I'm trying to breathe in. But as we drive, it all just slides. Nothing quite relieves my mind like knowing I am getting closer. Can't wait to get home. 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 Take on my grind. I need to be here. It's mine, my dime. I can't cease to hold on to for the most. I don't moan, but this all just hits me like a rock. Can't wait to get home.